Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best product reviews and recommendations. Today, we have something special for all you gamers and desk enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the details of the best large mousepad available in the market, the AREYTECO large mousepad. Stick around because we're about to uncover why this mousepad is making waves. The AREYTECO large mousepad is a game-changer in the world of mousepads. Let's start with its impressive size, measuring at a whopping 31.5 by 15.7 inches. It offers you an extensive surface to work with, making it perfect for gamers, office professionals, or anyone looking to enhance their desk setup. Now, let's talk about the key features that set this mousepad apart from the rest. First and foremost, it features a dense anti-slip rubber base that ensures your mousepad stays in place, even during intense gaming sessions. Plus, it's waterproof, which means it will protect your desk from spills and liquids. No need to worry about those accidental coffee mishaps. The durability of the AREYTECO mousepad is top-notch. It's crafted with a premium textured and smooth lycra cloth, and it even has stitched edges to prevent fraying or peeling. This means it can withstand heavy daily use, making it an ideal choice for both work and play. The smooth surface of this mousepad enhances mouse maneuverability and provides an excellent balance between glide and control. Whether you're editing documents or aiming for headshots in your favorite game, this mousepad delivers precision and accuracy. One of the standout features is its versatility. It's not just a gaming mousepad, it doubles as a desktop pad and writing pad. It's large enough to accommodate your laptop, gaming mouse, and keyboard, making it an all-in-one solution for your desk needs. Worried about keeping it clean? Don't be. The waterproof surface is easy to wipe clean, and even liquid stains can be washed away with water without affecting the pad's color or performance. But don't just take our word for it. Let's see what users have to say about the AREYTECO large mousepad. Many users have praised the smoothness of the surface, with one reviewer mentioning how it's perfect for writing without tearing paper. Others have highlighted its durability, stating that it holds up well even after a year of use. The large surface area has also been appreciated, providing ample space for various desktop activities. The best part? It's incredibly affordable, with a list price of $16.98, but currently available at just $13.98 on Amazon. Plus, if you buy two, you can save an extra 5% by using the code TBYXN9JP at checkout. In conclusion, the AREYTECO large mousepad is a fantastic addition to any desk setup, offering a large, durable, and versatile surface at an unbeatable price. Whether you're a gamer, a professional, or both, this mousepad has got you covered. That wraps up our review of the best large mousepad on the market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. If you have any questions or if you've tried the AREYTECO mousepad yourself, share your experiences in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.